every bulb, it's not the bulb, it has to be a socket. Someplace it has to be a, because I started from where the lights are here, and then every bulb down.
Well, you missed this too.
You know,
Three, I think. Three.
Let's get these in.
Yeah. So, is so you think it's gonna be the wiring?
Well, what else can you think when every bulb in the string tests okay? So someplace it could be any one of these sockets. But my real thought was is like where it starts off, like this one right here where it starts the first one. We know everything is all right here, but right there, but you would think moving them like you, and that's what they say, when you move it, see, that's not making good, when I move that, that's not making good contact in that socket. See that bulb? But that only affects that string there. That wouldn't affect this string here. This right here would affect it. I don't know.
So, are you going? You see, I still don't understand how you did this. This it started about here, something, and all is all burnt out, and got it, uh, you got it, and they're all now they're right, they're
It was just exactly like that,
oh,
right? And I went
that's
down.
just
I went down. This, and I did that. I see it flash. And I said, "There, I got it."
oh.
And it was a one up here with a blue. It had there, and it wasn't making good contact. See, and I just touched the bulb. See, that one isn't really making good contact. See what I mean? See,
Yeah.
that's the way this was, and the bulb was up in here someplace. And I just touched it. So then I took the base off and put a new base on it. And that's what I'll have to do with this one here. Put a new base on that.
I see.
Put a new one of these on that fits tighter. The one that's in there fits too loose.
I understand now. I understand now.
So that's all I did
I,
to
that's,
get the string working.
I understand now. You remember I tried to say,
Yeah, you wanted to talk to me.
but I couldn't talk.
Right,
And then, but I knew that there was, that,
yeah,
I knew there was,
that string was out.
yeah, but I couldn't figure out how you did it, and that's how,
That showed you.
yeah. So,
But apparently that's not the trouble with this, see.
Really?
This has a different problem. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's probably got the same problem as that. But wiggling here doesn't take care of it. You gotta get in and work the wires, or I don't know what you gotta do. I probably ought to take a nap, and then when I get up from the nap, then I say, oh yeah. I'm joking.
what?
I'm just joking.
Well, no, yeah.
But that's lots of times that's what happens. You know, I get up here and I don't know which way to turn. I said, the heck with it. I go in, get in my chair, takes a little snooze, have a little something to eat, and I come back out, and there.
Yeah. I know.
It works. Yeah.
I know that. I know that. What do you think coming back to this? What do you think
Yeah.
coming
But why you keep coming back to this?
to your shop and your mind is very good.
Yeah.
Very good. And very good, very good. I listen.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
listen.
Right.
Yeah, very. It's
Because sometimes when you say you don't understand, then I try to explain it in a different way. And many times then you get it. I go down a different end. That's why I got with this plug, turn it over to see, let you see what was happening right when you were doing that.
right now. How come you when you that? How come you do this? How come?
That's so I can turn it over. Both of those blades are the same. That's the old-fashioned one.
Yeah.
Before it was in. So when I want to turn it over, it would go in this way, and it would go in that way. Okay?
Yeah.
If I just use that, you see it's got a thick blade and a
Right.
small one.
Right.
It's got a thick one and a small one.
Right.
It will only go one way. I can't get
Right.
in.
Right. I know that.
So I got this thing. I knew about that. And I knew that I could put it in this way and turn it over this way. Because I was trying, in fact, that's what they say in here. They say, if it don't go out, turn the plug over.
Oh.
So I couldn't turn it over unless I had that.
Right.
So in here it says, if the light don't go out, then turn it over.
Huh.
So that's what I was doing. Then that's when I discovered what I had showed you, that when you get it on right, that's the way it's supposed to do. It's supposed to glow when you got power, and it goes out when you don't have it. got power down here. Where are we? Here. Yeah, this is. Now you see, look at the difference. That stays on. We go down here and it goes out. So, someplace it's getting turned, someplace it's getting, the wires getting turned over, whether they did that intentionally or it wasn't hooked up. Well, it worked originally, so, but I can't explain why it's off there, and I go up here where we
Yeah.
got plower. I can't explain that whatsoever.
Really?
And once, I give you this. Also, just by, you see, you would get stray, Also, when you put your hand down there, on there, it'll, I can't make it do it now. But I was getting false readings. Now look at that. Something is really screwy at this bottom end here. That's what I say. I think I just make a short one, make a short tree about that. Cut it in here someplace and wire it back up.
Right.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Very good.